Do you like Chinese juniper? Come to watch my video. Welcome to Lanka Garden YouTube channel. Now I am in front of the camera, but still I am learning from this tree too. So basically idea is the importance. Wiring techniques, bending techniques are very difficult to learn. Because of that, start your bonsai journey like me with few plants. In the meantime, you will become a perfect man. Important thing is startup. After purchasing, today is the first day I am going to do something. So my friends, without any hesitation and fear, take plant to your hand and turn it continuously. After take 1 minute, 2 minute, you will realize which style is suitable. Today I am using for the Chinese juniper tree aluminium thick wire, and I don't know the perfect word name for the type of wire, but another type rubber coated small gauge wire I am using now. First of all, get an idea about style and collect the materials you want. Before small branch, we must think about main trunk. Later on, you can think about the branches. In beginner level, no one can make pad because very difficult to do it, but maintain branches one by one in both sides. First of all, my plan is can make plant trunk and branches. Next day we can replant and train roots. My dears, now I'm going to conclude my first step of bonsai training. Again, I'd like to say I'm not perfect person. If anything weird, please comment in relevant section. I will correct my fault. After finished those, keep your plant away from direct sunlight 2 weeks. But don't forget watering and fertilizing plant. Thank you watching my video. If you got something from my video, press like button and don't forget subscribe. Have a good day.